People use a lot of ginger without knowing what it does to their health. That's what today's video is about. So take advantage and tell me from which city you are watching us from, okay? Ginger is a root that contains several medicinal properties. Many of its properties are supported by scientific studies. Its use has spread around the world due to the healthy benefits attributed to it. However, many people still don't know what this cheap and easy-to-find plant can do to your life. I will share with you 7 important benefits of ginger for our body. And at the end, I will show you a simple way to consume it as a powerful and medicinal tea. 1. Improves blood circulation. Ginger contains magnesium and zinc, which are essential for improving blood circulation. Ginger has properties that lower blood lipids, helping to lower bad cholesterol and prevent cardiovascular disease. On the other hand, it is also useful for reducing fever and other excessive sweating problems. 2. Helps prevent colds and flu. Ginger has antiviral properties that can act against cold and flu symptoms. This root has been used for centuries in Asia to relieve colds, flu and coughs with its powerful anti-inflammatory effect. 3. It promotes the absorption of nutrients. If we have appetite problems, we could chew some ginger before meals to stimulate hunger. When we consume this root, we ensure a better absorption of essential nutrients from the body and stimulates the secretion of the stomach and pancreatic enzymes. 4. Facilitates digestion. In addition to improving the absorption of nutrients in the body, ginger also helps relieve abdominal pain, and usually occurs when there is an inflammation in the stomach, as well as preventing and fighting constipation, reducing intestinal gas and promoting better digestion. 5. May be anticancerous. Several researches, including studies on its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, have found that this root may have anti-cancer substances, capable of slowing the growth of cancer cells in the colon and prostate. 6. Relieves joint pain. We already mentioned that this ingredient also has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps reduce joint pain and inflammation, as well as other common ailments. 7. Strengthens the immune system. Regular consumption of this plant helps to strengthen your immune system and keep your body's defenses strong before possible infections, such as colds or chronic illnesses, and it is also believed that it can reduce the risk of suffering a stroke. There are many ways to consume this root, but today I will show you a simple and inexpensive way. You will need a small ginger root, 1 lemon, 1 glass of water, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Put the water to boil, chop the ginger into small pieces, and then add it to the water in the pot. Let it boil for a few minutes. Turn off the heat, and let it rest for a few more minutes. Then immediately strain, and add the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 teaspoon of honey, then mix. Take it in the morning when you wake up. Remember to always consult your doctor, because some natural remedies may not be suitable for you. The message that is in 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-5 goes like this: He who loves is patient and kind. He who loves is not jealous, nor proud, nor conceited. He who loves is not coarse or selfish. He does not get angry or hold grudges. God loved all of His creation and asked that we love one another as well. Too often we are not loving people as God asked. We need to love as God loved, sincerely and with all our hearts, expecting nothing in return. We need to be attentive, because many people do not show true love by their actions. I'll stop here. A kiss and see you in the next video.